If you want to change the password of your Amazon Prime account, then make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm exactly going to show you the step-by-step process. Now basically there are two things that you can do, either to change the location from the settings of Amazon.com, or if you're using Prime Video and want to watch movies and series from different countries, you can connect to a VPN. So let's do the first step. Open up Amazon.com and then just log into your account. Once you're here, just hover over your name on the top and a drop-down menu will open up. You just open up content and devices. From this section, you'll need to click on preferences, and inside of preferences, you'll see an option of country/region. Click on this option and click on change. If you had previously added in your location, you can also remove the existing one and then add in the new details. So you can add in your address and you can also add in your phone number. Once you do, click on update and your location for both Amazon and Amazon Prime will be changed. Now if you're trying to watch movies of different countries that you don't have on your country, you can just connect to a VPN. You can either use an extension similar to this, or you can also download a software called Proton VPN. This is a free and easy to use VPN. You can easily find it on the website of protonvpn.com and you can easily download it. Once you open up the app, you can just click on Quick Connect, or it's going to give you 3 countries: Japan, Netherlands, and the United States. If you're trying to watch a particular movie from a different country, you can just open it these free servers. Now this is a free VPN, but if you're trying to connect to a different country which has more servers, you need to subscribe to the Proton VPN, or you can download any other paid VPN. This way you'll be able to see or watch movies from different countries. So that was the exact video on how to change your location on Amazon Prime. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.